What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Oh man, it's about 6:30 in the morning, and we are getting ready for the meet, man. AXC meet here, Acura of Pembroke Pines, very last meet of 2019. Today is a very special day for us.
Yeah, so there was a major tragedy in our community, and we have a couple of those cars from that, and they're from APD, Acura Parts Depot, and you know, we're going to do something special for them today. Some people have come together to help make it a little bit more special, and you know, together as a group, as a community, I think we're going to be doing something to help out with that. I'm real excited about it.
Yeah, it's supposed to be one of our biggest raffles yet. Most of the proceeds are going to go to the family, just to show our love and show the bond of the community. So I think that's a great thing.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Shout out to VMS Racing, you know, giving us a bunch of stuff to raffle out.
Yeah.
I think very generous of
Absolutely.
them
A whole set of
doing
wheels
that.
too. That's
Complete set of wheels. Yeah. So yeah, just stay tuned and stay along with us, and we'll walk you through the whole entire meet.
See you then.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, it's about 7:30. We're getting ready for the Acura Honda Classic meet. We already have people showing up. It's a special day today. We have a tribute for Acura Parts Depot, so it's going to be a good one. Hey guys, the rain didn't stop anyone from coming out here. It's really a great event so far.
Cars are strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone really special showed up too. Want to go take a look? Let's go.
Let's see.
Hey, he's already signing autographs. He's only been here, what, 10 minutes? Jesus. What's up, Honda Pro Jason?
How are you?
Is that your car? Yeah.
It's very cool, man.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I love this poster.
You want to take a picture with you?
Incidents that have happened. On behalf of Acura Parts Depot, we have Mom and Dad that want to say some words, and then we're going to do an unveiling. And what Acura Honda Classic's going to be doing is a proceeds portion of the donations and our sales, the tickets, everything when he came in this morning, we're going to donate towards Acura Parts Depot, because that's what we want to do in time of need. That's what we need to do. We need to pull together. So, Mom, come on over here, and I want you to talk and just...
Well, I want to first thank each and every one of you guys for showing up. You warmed my heart to know that she was so loved. And in this, I just want you guys to stand strong. Damn it, stand strong, because that's what she wants. And if I can do it, you guys can do it. And keep it up. Keep it up. Continue doing what you're doing. Be safe out there. You understand? Help one another. It's a community. It's a family. You understand? Just continue doing what you're doing. I love each and every one of you. If personally I can hug and kiss every last one of you out here, I would. But no. Know that it's from the heart. I am beyond grateful. I'm beyond grateful for the turnout. here today in the honor of my daughter, Reyana.
Thank you so much.
Reyana is like my chicken. I would be walking and she's just walking behind me all the time. It don't matter. I would put my hand out and she would just be there.
And as a part of the memory, we're going to unveil her pride, her baby, right here. I'll just go around, take a look at it, and remember why we're here today. So go ahead, boys, you can pull over the cover. Let's have a round of applause for all your support, all your love. Where do we look? You look at these two. Guys, special shout out to VMS Racing. They always come through for Acura Honda Classic. They're located here in Miami, and they always donate a large amount to the raffle. We got a lot of lug nuts. We have battery tie downs, shift knobs, air filters, sway bar. We also have a set of wheels at the end. Now, if this doesn't fit your car, that's not a problem. We have VMS here today. They'll give you a voucher. And you can go ahead and you can pick up the set of wheels that fits for you or for your girlfriend or whoever you want to give them to. And then we have Turbo Wax. They're donating a kit with a whole bunch of different detailing products. So we're going to get this rolling now. I call each ticket. I'll call it twice. And then that's it. You'll come see Miguel. Miguel will give you the prize. And then we'll go from there. Honda Pro Jason, he is going to announce the first few. So you're going to pick and give, and then Honda Pro Jason, here you go.
Love it. What's going on, guys? 3, that's 9783.
All right, so we've gotten down to the last set. And thank you, Honda Pro Jason, for making my job easy today. At this point, you can't say, oh, I had a ticket. We're starting completely over now. This is the last prize, and that's going to be it. So if you have a set of wheels, if you have a car and these wheels don't fit, that's fine. You'll get with Nicole from VMS. I'm not sure where she's at, but she's going to give you a voucher. You're going to come into the store, and you'll get one that fits your car, okay? Or whatever car you want to put it on. All right, if you guys come late, we're not giving you wheels. Probably give you, like, a sticker.
Why would anyone leave early? What sense does that make?
652-9789.
All right, congratulations. If you guys want to stick around, Honda Pro Jason.
Gotta have the body.
You know, sometimes I can talk, but not all the time. So, guys, how's it going?
Well, it was a great turnout. For what the weather is, this was phenomenal. And we had 2 celebrities, let's say, joined us. So that's huge.
Internet famous.
Yeah.
Well, they like what we got going on, so they came down. So, and they made drives.
Yeah.
You know, Percy was like an hour or so.
That speaks a lot.
Yeah. So.
Well, that, and you know, this thing is a really nice armrest.
Don't worry, it's one of our team members' cars.
That's a type of spoiler before.
Yeah, or Edon, so.
Yeah.
It's not
flexing a little bit. I'm kind of flexing a little bit. All right, guys. Hope you like the meet, man. What do you guys think?
That was awesome. I mean, got some big boys.
Really good turnout. Yeah, we had some big names that showed up.
Rain or shine, everyone showed up,
Yeah.
right? You know,
It was cool.
So yeah, if you guys want to see what more meets we have coming along, stay tuned to the YouTube page and the Instagram page, Acura Honda Classic, and our builds.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button right below here. And until next time.
Help us and thank you for rebuilding
our community.
See you on the next one.
No, everyone let me hanging.